Yeah, for sure.
Thank you. Coffee secured. My name's Michaela if you're new here. It is Friday morning, February 12th. I'm heading to Austin for my dress fitting, and I'm also gonna get my dad's dog Jenna, our Yorkie, and I'm gonna watch her for like a week or so. So I'm excited about that, but I got my coffee. It is a mere 26 degrees right now. It's really cold. I just made it to Bolden Acres. Now I'm gonna eat lunch with my mom and my grandma at my brother's food truck. Grandma always hooks it up with Valentine stuff. I'm about to leave Austin to go back to Dallas, and I have this little one, little Jenna. I know she's probably gonna cry almost all the way home because she's probably freaking out like, what the heck are you doing with me? But I'm gonna watch her for a week or two, or until my dad is gonna be home. So yeah, just me and Jenna for the whole car ride home. See you in Dallas. Jenna, how you like your new home?
Forever.
Nothing. She didn't move. What? You're so cute. You're so cute. Jenna's like so. She's like, where'd she go?
She's
Jenna?
gonna go to the father.
We just gave Jenna a treat and now she's trying to hide it. Jenna, what are you doing?
Here. Scroll. Scroll for me.
Out here, just taking Jenna for a walk. Miss Jenna. Taking Jenna for a walk around my apartment and letting her explore some because she's started getting a little antsy in the apartment. And Dylan went to go hang out with the guys. So I'm here just with Jenna, strutting her stuff. Finally got a little sunny out here. Got some sun coming through the clouds. It's still like freezing though. Like I literally think it's still in the 20s right now. I have no idea though. Jenna, no, come on. There's a first for everything. This is what it's like being a dog mom. You just carry these things around now. It's like a little fashion statement. I'm just kidding. But I'm glad she finally went. She hasn't gone at all in the last 24 hours that I've had her. That's okay. New place, new environment. She doesn't really understand the whole apartment thing. She can literally sense any of our neighbors, and before they even come out their front door, she's at our door waiting, and then we hear our neighbor open the door and we're like, what the heck? Like, how did she know that they're gonna come out? Day one of having a dog, and maybe after the wedding, Dylan and I will get our own little doggy. But for now, we're just watching Jenna. I'm just sitting here watching Netflix. I'm watching Firefly Lane. You can see over there. And I was just sitting here and I was drinking my water, and look, it is identical. I had no idea. I just bought this for my friend Connie last night, she was just selling some clothes. So I got this from her and I love it. It's actually really like so comfortable. I was about to text her and be like, why don't you want this? Like, this is awesome. It's so comfy. But anyway, we have Jenna over here, just all tired out from our walk. And I just wanted to tell you, Dylan and I got these few things from Crate & Barrel last weekend, and we got this big IKEA mirror and we love it. We put some LED lights behind this mirror as well. They look so cool. And then just moved around a couple things over there on those shelves. My mom gave me some books, so I'm probably just gonna put those around in different places. Putting that all there for now. So I added those 3 thick black books and then put just this white one right here. I think that looks good. Then for the other ones, I didn't really know where to put them, so I put them just right here for now. I don't know, we'll see what Dylan thinks. That's hard, man. It's honestly really hard, but I thought like books would help, but then now I'm like, I don't know, I just don't know what to do with them. Whatever, we'll see. I'm doing my leg day workout today. I left Jenna in the apartment. We'll see how she does. She was whining whenever I was leaving. So hopefully she'll be okay. But I'm gonna do my leg workout that I posted before, but I added heavier weights, a couple more exercises. Hello. I'm sorry I left you. I'm sorry. You wanna go for a walk? You wanna go for a walk? Yeah, let's go for a walk. Okay, let's go. Come on, this way. Ordered torchies through DoorDash because I don't know when Dylan's coming home. I got just a taco, like a chicken fajita taco bowl, some chips, and then there's a guacamole under there as well. Just gonna eat and watch TV with Miss Little Jenna over there. So cute. Look, there's snow, Jenna. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. you look out the window, you can see. Look at all the snow. Oh my gosh. But I'm just working. And I got Jenna right here, just chilling with me. Dill went to go pick up all of our stuff for Valentine's Day because we were gonna go eat somewhere tonight, but because of the snow, it's supposed to snow even more later today. We canceled that and we're just gonna make dinner here. But I gotta get back to work and I will probably see y'all whenever I'm off and we're making dinner. Since our dinner plans got canceled, we're gonna make our own Valentine's dinner here with salmon and have some wine, baked brie, manchego cheese with a baguette and cookies and jam. Gonna have a nice Valentine's dinner with you.
That's me.
Dylan got me some roses. So
Should
pretty.
we, set the mood?
Yeah. I like the red.
So red's good.
Yeah. Perfect for the day.
Big Wheel of Fortune.